Hey, sorry guys, I'm in mute. Hey, hi guys, good morning. Yeah, my name is Subara. Having 10 plus years of experience in IT, 8 years in Salesforce. So today I'm explaining about the what is Salesforce and why the Salesforce on demand nowadays. This is a CRM technology. What are the other CRMs we have and why this is on demand CRM, the Salesforce.com. And one more thing is, yeah, I'm explaining about the uh, entire course, how many days it will take, and each concepts wise, like we have differentiate few things. Here we have admin development like that, and lightning part and integrations. These all things. Each concepts, how many days it will take, and what are the things you need to learn, basic things. Like I can explain these all things. Okay. Coming to the Salesforce, before Salesforce, you people know about the CRM. What is CRM? CRM is nothing but a customer relationship management. Is there customer relationship management means between the customer and whatever organization sell the product. You are a client, or you have an organization. You are manufacturing some products. How you can sell that products to the customers? We're tracking that information in applications. We are using the CRM apps we are using. See here, what is the CRM? CRM is nothing but a relationship management. It's a business tool that allows you to manage all your customer and partner and prospect information in one place. Means in application we are tracking. See here, like what is the purpose of this CRM we are using? Like to organize and automate and synchronizing the business processes and pipeline sales, marketing, and services, whatever we have. See here, nowadays, in case you are buying any laptop or mobile, immediately you are getting the emails and notifications or SMS. Immediately you are getting means they're doing this automation automatically. You are getting the notifications and synchronizing these processes and easy to or do this means every organization they're doing first thing is their good communication with the customer and what the customer is expecting based on that they're providing or not, like these all things between this customer and organization. Like there is a between this in case there is a gap, most of the cases getting that gap, how we can fill those things. And every time like within the once we are doing this any business, how we can every time we have to communicate with the customers, and we have to they're having any issues or they're raising any questions on related to the to buy that product, how we can reach easily to the customers. These are all things there. The good solution is CRM, customer relationship management. Here we have different CRM tools is available. Existing we have like Sugar CRM and PeopleSoft CRM, PeopleSoft CRM and SEBL CRM, and we have a few more like SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, Microsoft AX Dynamic CRM. Like this is the way we have multiple CRMs is there. But the thing is, compared to these other CRMs, actually Sugar and PeopleSoft is old CRMs, and Siebel is before 2012-13. There is a good projects on this. That time on demand is Siebel only, but this is a non-cloud. there is a drawback. And SAP related, we have CRM. Oracle related, we have, and Microsoft related also, we have CRM. But this is not, these three are not user friendly. Means UI related also, and not understanding easily, and bit difficulties is there. Non-cloud related nowadays, these things are also cloud, but still we have Salesforce CRM is cloud related one. Salesforce CRM is cloud related one. And one more thing is this is on demand. Nowadays, most of the 70 to 80% business, CRM related business on Salesforce only doing these projects. With using Salesforce only, we are doing the projects, CRM projects. This is on demand CRM. Why this is on demand CRM compared to this CRM, customer relationship management tools? Why we have to go with the CRM? Initially, in old days, they're tracking the information about any sales information, and tracking the customers information. Like we have to go with notebooks like that. We have to do, and more paperwork we are doing. Now, once we have to use this CRM application, system is centralized, which is available anytime on fingertips. Avoid paper and manual work, and we have to do more automations like sending the notifications, SMS, and assigning the tasks, activities. I am saying about these all things we can do easily, and build and maintaining strong loyal relationship with the customers. This is one thing, man. And reduce process time and increase productivity. Easily to sell this product and tracking the information of the customer. Easily we have to do, and what are the existing products we have available. Like easily we have, they're tracking the information, the data tracking. I'm saying about now this thing, what is selling and who is buying, like these all things, and a consistent user experience across all touch points. Real-time access to all customer information to enable quick decisions. Like these all things we have to go with CRM. The two, why we have to go with this Salesforce means, the first thing is I can explain in simple language. The Salesforce.com is a organization. Mark Benioff, he's the founder of Salesforce. He's the ex-employee of the Oracle, and he is implementing this technology. And one more thing, before like that, but people knowing about after 2008, more things, and customers also more interesting on after 2011, 12. And nowadays, this is on-demand CRM. Why means there is a, they're providing the three things. Okay, software. They're providing software. Who is providing this thing? Salesforce.com is a organization. This organization providing software, platform, infrastructure. Infrastructure. See these three things: software, platform, infrastructure. These three things providing Salesforce.com only. And one more thing is, it is a cloud computing related technology. Cloud computing related technology means without using any software or hardware, we have to log in. We have to enter into the application using internet, and we can do this all things. Like we can use software. We have to go with platform and infrastructure. These all things. Cloud computing, nothing but what are the servers we have? There is a server is there. Normally, you are the one client. You are the one client. Opening new. You are the one client. See here, this is the server. What is this? Server. This is a server. Okay, this is a server. Within the server, normally we have go with .NET, Java, like any other technologies. There is a databases. If people know, I don't know exactly. No issues. People don't know also. We have SQL server or Archil, like different servers available. So we have to place those things for this is that servers placed in client place only. That we have to go with non-cloud technologies. The server placed in client place only. In case we have to go with this cloud computing related technologies, who is providing the tech? Like they're maintaining the servers also, their place only. For example, you are the one banking client. You are a one banking client. Yeah, here there is a space. See here, this is the one space. See here, this is bank. For example, this is a pharma. This is a one pharma company. Here there is a health related an organization. And here is, this is oil and gas industry. And here we have banking related application we have to do. And here also insurance. I'm saying about different industry projects here we have. And one more thing is telecom related. See here, I'm adding different industries here. And here, this is the only one server tracking all the information. But this space for, that is one health client. This space for pharma client. This space for telecom client. Server means, if people know about the server, or you don't know about the server, server means whatever data we are providing, the data we are tracking within the server only, but you have to go with a banking client, not using this cloud. They're placing this server into their place only, their headquarters. For example, ICICI is there. ICICI headquarters is Mumbai. In case Mumbai, that they're placing the server in Mumbai headquarters. And the data, whatever branches in ICICI, that users, end users, like they're tracking the information about the customers and the transactions, those all things where it will store in main branch. Where is the main branch? There we have placing the servers. They store all the data, whatever data. But here metadata and data both will store here. Metadata means who is our developers working on this programming things, like we are calling as a metadata. What are the things we are creating as a developer administrator? We are calling as a metadata those things. Data means customers information. Metadata and data both is available in this. And I'm not believing these all things. But nowadays banking sector also, and most of the things like in India also, Bajaj FinServ is there now. They're using Salesforce only. In worldwide, there are multiple banking applications we have available nowadays on Salesforce. And remaining clients, initial days onwards, everyone interesting on this Salesforce. Why means who is maintaining the server? Salesforce.com only. In case any server maintenance issues they're getting, like who is working on that? Salesforce.com only. Previously, like in case the server placed in ICICI, means who is taking care about that server? ICICI only taking care about the server and any issues, and they're maintaining the team, like to maintaining these servers and issues, uh, server patchings, like anything. They're doing server related issues. Who is taking care about? ICICI only. But now, who is providing the server? Salesforce.com only. Just our data securely they're placing. Okay, Salesforce.com only, but with a security. Okay, with a security. This is the way uh, they're placing the servers. Like number of servers is there. Similar way we have. Once we have to enter into the organization, I can explain about the how we can see the server details, like these all things. Now this is the way we have to place the servers. Means we have to go with non-cloud. Better way we can go with what are the advantages. I'm explaining about server related things. And now this is server related things. And one more thing is software. They're providing the some softwares like sales cloud, service cloud, experience cloud, different clouds. Means most of the times they're providing the softwares, means applications. Almost you can go with any other technology from scratch. You have to implement the applications, but here you don't require. They are already providing the software. Means you are a client. You have an organization. To sell the products, you need an application. Directly, you have to contact with Salesforce.com. They're providing the licenses. Based on that, you are getting almost 60% application. 60% application. The software is available already. In case we have to, based on your business flow, you have to add some functionalities, some customization things we have to add. You can go with developers, administrators, and we have to complete these things, but not starting onwards. We have to already 60% is application available. You have to do initial that a declarative part we have to do, and then you have to go with whatever customization required using developers. We have to do. I'm saying about the client prospect. Okay. This is software, and platform means where we have to implement these applications. Whatever 40% or 30% customization we have, where we have to implement. We need to buy, we need to download any hard softwares or like anything we have to do, means we don't require those things. Like here we have course.com is there. The things course.com, and softwares means Salesforce only. Salesforce.com is a software. Examples I am saying about infrastructure. Infrastructure means networking, servers, like this all. Like we have to cloud only. For example, Salesforce cloud. Infrastructure means so that servers and networking, OS related, these all things. Who is maintaining these all things? Uh, Infrastructure. Who infrastructure also he is providing? Salesforce only. So they're providing the software and platform infrastructure, everything they're providing. Compared to this cloud computing, other technologies, we need to implementation any software, we need to install the things. Install the what are the IDs required to implement the application. The platform is required. Infrastructure also. We need to buy a server, and we need to buy a whatever required softwares, like we have to install, like these all things we have to do. So better in case we can go with cloud computing, the cost is reduced. The cost is reduced based on these three things: software, platform, infrastructure. See here why this cloud computing we are using, like work from anywhere. Using internet we can access these things. Already we discussed about this. No need to maintain hardware and software. Set your own data center. Flexibility and security. Cost reduction. So we have to discuss these all things before. And here they're providing, in case there is a pizza as a service, like traditional on premises, like we have to use these all things. Like in case they're providing installation as a service and platform as a service, software as a service, like what are the things providing? You manage and when red color is there now. These all things who is maintaining, sorry, orange color, like who is taking care about these all things? Vendor only. Similar way, in case we have to go with cloud computing, on premises means in case that is a non-cloud technology, non-cloud technologies like who is providing application on premises, he is implementing the application with the developers and data tracking and runtime middleware. We have to OS for pay OS, virtualization, servers, storage, networking. Who is taking care about? Who is the client? He is taking care about. He can buy the licenses, he can buy the softwares. Like these all things he can do. He need to do. I'm saying about in case on premise. And coming to the in case he can go with cloud computing, like already we discussed about the infrastructure. What are the things in infrastructure we have? This virtualization, server, storage, network, these all things under infrastructure. Who is taking care about these all things? Whoever providing the technology. For example, Salesforce.com only. Salesforce.com taking care about these all things. And similar way, platform means that runtime, middleware, OS, who is taking care about where we have to implement the application. That platform who is providing this thing, Salesforce.com only. Even we have to applications and data tracking these all things. There is a providing a software also like a sales cloud, service cloud, different clouds of applications we have available. I'm explaining after that. These are all providing who is taking care about cloud computing. So that's why reducing the cost reduction is the one thing. We have to no need to maintain any hardware and softwares. You can go with this Salesforce. Already we discussed about why, what is CRM, why we are using CRM, how CRM works. They especially Salesforce.com follows multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture is nothing but this is multi-tenant architecture. This is a compared to apartment. Like outside we have apartment is look like a one house only. But in this, you can once you are enter into the apartment, we have different flats is available. Similar way, this is one server only, but here we have different industry, different clients information we have to store. Like in apartment walls is there now. Similar way, we have to provide some space to each client. Here, once you are enter into the uh, we are accessing the Salesforce applications using user credentials. How we can log in Gmail, Facebook, like that. Here login username and password we are providing, and once you are enter into the R, only you are the employee of this health client related. You can see up to whatever data here only in this space only you have to access, not access to this pharma, telecom, oil and gas, not these all things. Only you have to access these things only, health related, how we can provide the security, like we can discuss in the classes. Okay, and easy access and easy customization we have to do. Yeah, these are the main benefits to going with this Salesforce. And one more thing is how the revenue generate to the Salesforce. They're paying, they're selling licenses. Like we have, once you are a client, you have to interacting with, you are communicating with Salesforce.com. You have required one application on Salesforce to sell your products, that to tracking information. Uh, like we have to go with once you are communicate with Salesforce, they are providing editions based on business. You are going with these editions. The editions are unlimited edition, unlimited edition, enterprise, professional, and other editions also we have, like a group edition and developer edition. Like this is the way other editions also available. Most of that we are using these things. Here, in case we have to large scale of industries, number of users you have required, and more data we have to tracking, and worldwide your business having and more users tracking the information, customers information, like that you have to go with this unlimited edition. Unlimited edition. Or medium scale or small scale industries we have. Related to that, you have to go with enterprise or professional editions. Some limitations change. We can see this once we have to discuss about the company information. What are the things like limitations related things? And coming to the group means like there is a partners to companies to build a business. These group related things. And coming to the developer edition, this is a free edition trial. Whoever learning the Salesforce, for you people, especially you people using this developer edition. This is free edition. You don't pay anything. So here, based on these editions, we are getting the licenses. What are the things? Licenses. Different licenses available. User licenses. Different user license available. Based on the editions, we are getting the licenses, user licenses. Based on the licenses, we are creating the users in the organization. Users means sales team people, service team people, means support team I'm saying about. Like who is working under that client, for them, we are creating the users. Once we are implementing the applications for, we also required these users. Like once we have to user, then only you can enter into the arc. Okay. This is editions. Okay, editions. Now I'm explaining about how many days it will take for the training. Like we have different. And one more thing, I forgot about that. This is benefits like sales, cloud computing. One thing we have, and this cloud-based technologies, and one app exchange is there. App exchange, app exchange. That is one more advantage. Why this on-demand CRM, Salesforce CRM means app exchange means you have any idea, you have to build a one managed package and add that package to app exchange. And any client interesting on that application, he is do the contract to the who is the owner of that managed package application. See, this is like a Play Store. We have in mobile Play Store is there now. Similar way, App Exchange is there. In case any client required to buy or sign a contract to that, who is the owner of that App Exchange product. See, that is one thing. And one more thing is releases. We have every 4 months, we have one release. Every 4 months, we have one release. Every 4 months, we have one release. What are the releases we have? Like spring and summer. These are the releases we have. Every 4 months, one release is there. And what are the new features they're adding? Like we can go with these release notes. Okay, release notes in winter release, like now winter 25 we have. Winter 25. Similar way, spring 24, summer 24, winter 24, like that we have releases done. So these releases, like what are the drawbacks? existing, any issues, and they're adding new features also to the this Salesforce.com. So day to day update on this. Every 4 months we have new features adding, and we have improved these performances and good UI user interface. Like they're following multiple things, and this is the one reason on demand. This is also one reason. This is a on demand CRM. On demand CRM releases, app exchange, and this cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing. These all things we have read. This is a on demand CRM. Salesforce.com is now most of the CRM businesses going with this thing. Now come to this course structure. How we can explain the things. First, we have admin part is there. It will take almost 25 to 30 days. Here we are covering all the data model, security, and automation processes, data loading activities, means migrations, data migrations, and the deployments. These all things we are covering here only in admin part, and clouds also. What are the clouds we have available? See, these all things we are covering in admin part. Coming to the development. See here, in development, we have Apex is there. This is your language. Who knows about core Java or C Sharp? You people know about this is also OOPS based concept, and Java and C Sharp syntax similar to 90% same. Here also similar to the core Java and C Sharp. This is also same, like we have the core Java, and this is also OOPS based only. What are the concepts in core Java and C Sharp.net? 90% concepts here also we have. I will explain basic things also. If people don't know about any languages, that is also fine. I can explain starting data types, variables, like that I can explain. What are the languages available existing, and why we are using Apex. Like these all things I can explain. The things almost it will take 25 to 30 days, this one also. And then we have Visual Force pages is there. In case we have to go with the customization, this is server side things. On UI, on UI side, we have to design. HTML design is there now. We are using Visual Force pages, but nowadays we are using lightning part. Visual Force pages nowadays we are not using. Even sometimes they're using sometimes existing pages we have now. In case we are enter into the organization, any enhancements we are getting, you people need to work on Visual Force pages also. So almost I'm taking this 7 days and this Visual Force pages. And similar way, we have to replace this Visual Force page to Lightning. This part is there now. We are calling as a classic things, classic Salesforce. Nowadays, no one using the classic. Almost 3-4 years back, completed most of the 95% projects migrated to Lightning only. See, in this Lightning also, initially they're providing Aura framework. This is Visual Force framework. How we can this HTML framework is there now. Similar way, Visual Force pages we are for designing the pages we are using now. We have to Aura is there, Aura framework using. But nowadays, recently they introduced almost 3 years back Lightning Web Components. Web Components means compared to Aura, The performance-wise fast and more advantages, browser compatibility, and easy to deploy the things. These all things using Lightning Web Components. Nowadays, we are using these things. And one more thing is we are using modern JavaScript here. And here in Aura, we need to learn these things. That Aura framework related, we can design, we can, and in client side, we are writing JavaScript code, and and in backend Apex only. Server side, we have Apex only. Similar way here in LWC also, we are using for designing HTML templates. Templates we are using, and here also JavaScript, but that is a modern JavaScript we are using here. And backend language, server side language is Apex only. Server side language, Apex only we are using. See here, this lightning part almost it will take 30 days. 30 days it will take. And finally, integrations we have. These integrations, I will explain 7 to 10 days. See here, integrations means web services. Anyone knowing a web services? Is means we are calling as integrations also. Here we are interacting with external systems like SAP to Salesforce to SAP, Salesforce to Java, Salesforce to Pega, Salesforce to .NET. Actually, any client, this one application we have to go with Salesforce, that is good. Another applications, they're using multiple applications. One application easily to do these financial calculations, these all things in SAP. They are using SEP, but the data we are maintaining there and here same. For that, we have to implement these integrations. Like we have different types of integrations we have, and we are using different ways we have to implement these integration things. We can discuss. Now, I'm explaining how we can open this Arc, developer Arc. I'm saying about edition. This is the free edition of how we can open this developer Arc. Go to UI. Yeah, please note these things. Few URLs I'm explaining like developer.salesforce.com sign up is there. We have to go with this. In case you have to go with login or sign in, like that we have to enter. Just you have to 30 days, you will get the 30 days trial version. Go to, this is the way, developer.salesforce.com/sign up. You can go with this is the way. Whatever you are creating the R, that R gives you have to permanently available. Means after 180 days it will expire. You are not using. In case you are opening or doing something within in 180 days, it will not expire. So first we have to do. I'm doing Yaksha 37. I'm adding name is IT, email address. For example, I'm adding this SUBBU 2810. My role is developer, company, some XYZ company I'm adding, country, region, India, postal code I'm adding, sorry, yeah, state, Telangana, and postal code 5000. 32 I'm adding. That username, this is unique thing in Salesforce. Entire Salesforce, this is unique thing. We have to provide proper. I'm adding Yaksha 37. Yaksha 37 at it.com. Yeah, this is the click on sign me up. Whatever mail we are providing, in that mail, on that mail, see here I'm providing email now. We will get one notification related to that. Verify your account. Verify your account. First, you have to do verify that account. There is an email we have. See here, we are getting this. An email here. It will take a few minutes. Once you are getting this email, once you are getting an email, that verify account mail we are getting here. Once you are getting that email, verify your account, and then we have to log into the Salesforce. Means already username is there. You are providing where you did that thing. We have to sign up now. There you are doing. There you are doing sign up now. There you are providing email, and you have to, when we are doing verify account, there you are providing password and confirm password, and using that you have to log in. How you can log in? Go to this, like this is the way I'm saying about login.salesforce.com is there. You are providing, this is a 36, you have to add 37 and you have to enter whatever password. You have to add that password, username and password. That URL is login.salesforce.com. This is the URL. Yeah, today only I have explained two URLs. One is developer.salesforce.com. See here, I'm explaining two URLs. One is developer.salesforce.com. Sign up. Okay, this is one thing, and another one is, once we have to create the arc, how we can log in is login.salesforce. Login.salesforce.com. See, this is for your org login. This is org sign up. This is org sign up. This is org login. These two URLs you have to use and create a org. Once you are creating a org, like once you are clicking the login, you have to enter into the organization. See here, this is Salesforce org. This is trial org. Okay, here we have to see what are the things I'm explaining. Only 5 minutes about this. What are the things here? Logo that are we are implementing the application. The client logo we are adding here. And what are the apps available here? In case we have to create any custom apps, or already Salesforce providing some sales service related apps is there now. Those all apps available here. And here we have to salesforce.com that are applications related metadata. Metadata means what are the tables we have, what are the columns we have. Those all data in object manager we have. This is home page we are able to see. This is setup. These all things we need to learn. These are the concepts. We need to learn these all things. Okay. And here, this is the search bar, global search. Entire in organization, we have to search anything. We have to add here only the details. And one more thing is, here you have to see, like this is the profile information in Gmail, like in Facebook, you have people see this profile information, see here, log out, and what are the settings we have. Like those all things we have to. Here we have to, one button is there, options, switch to classic is there. Like in case we have to switch to that classic. This is lightning view. In case we have to move classic view also, we can able to see. This is classic view existing. Compared to classic view, lightning view is the look and feel is good. Okay, now go to the switch to lightning experience. Okay, this is lightning experience. And this is profile related things. Here, notifications. In case internal user sending the any notification, like you can get here the notifications. This is setup. Now we have to see this setup now. This is setup. What are the things we have to learn in Salesforce as a developer administrator? These all things. We are calling as a setup those things. And there is a service setup. So service related applications, in case we have to implement, we can go with those things like consoles. Like developer console is there for implementing any new things. Like already we discussed about the platform is a service is there. Now this is the platform, like where we have to implement the application. These things also they're only providing. Who is providing? Salesforce.com. In case you have to create new class, what are the things for customization? So now this is Salesforce help. In case we have any issues or any things you need to more, like we have to get support from Salesforce. Here we have help and training is there. We can go. And guidelines centers. You have to learn new things. Or like here, those things are available. The trial hats in 3 or 4 classes after. Okay. And these are the global actions. In case globally we are using any buttons like that, we have to available those things. This is predefined, they are providing. In case we have to create global action, we can add new global actions also. Most of the times, like activities related, these are the activities, event and task. Unlike a log a call and case, lead, email, like we have to do these global actions on each uh, table related, we have these actions required. This data related, each customer related, we have required this information. So we are adding as a global actions, those things. Then we have to add the favorites, anything, like we have to go with this. This is the basic things of Salesforce. Like initially, what is the Salesforce and why we have to customers using the sales, why this is on demand, is all things explained to you people. Now, if you have any doubts, please ask now. Okay. If people having any doubts, feel free to ask now. No doubts. Yes, someone is asking anything. Okay, okay, guys, go through this all. This all what I'm saying and what I am explaining today. You have to go through these all things. If you have any doubts, next class you have to ask. Okay.
Can we create the profile today?
No, in next class, that is a security concept. Like we are providing security in our that to how we can once user login based on the profile permissions and settings, like how we can access the things. what are the things you can able to see, what are the settings and permissions we can provide. We have to go with the profiles, but we can cover the thing in security concepts.
Okay.
First, we have
Like,
to explain about the this table creations, columns, and what are the data types available, data model related. I can explain. Then security. Yeah, sorry, someone is asking.
no, going forward also we'll be having classes from 9 to 10. Uh, may,
9, yeah, 9 to 10 or 10 to 11, like that we have. Any time concerns, you have to check with reception.
okay.
Yeah, like you have, what is the time you have required? That is possible or not, like they can explain the things. Or other batch we have to start in case we have evening times are like 8 to 9. Present one batch is going on 8 to 9, but no, initially they're joining 9 to 10 members. Afterward, 1 week they're not joining with in early morning hours. That is the one problem we are seeing.
Okay. So I have another one. Now this session is online now. What?
Mhm.
How? Like if the session is going offline also,
Yeah,
like
we are
is it?
providing offline only. Same session we are providing offline also. If you people having anyone interest, or daily basis, you have to come to institute and you have to attend these offline sessions. And we are providing the this recording session also, whatever
But
online.
no, my query is like if the session is going offline and online now. So
Mhm.
in that time, if I have any doubts, can I ask in that session itself or?
Yeah, in that session only. In middle only you have to ask. I will explain that.
Okay. Yeah, through Zoom, you can answer the queries in
Yeah, I
Zoom.
will. Yeah, yes, we have to go with the chat here also. You have
Okay.
permission to chat. You can add
Oh,
the comment, and with the end of the class, I will explain the things. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, my suggestion is this administration part and navigation thing is step by step we have. See, like daily basis, we have to spend 2 hours in admin part. That is, and you have to remembering after 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, or 4 months also. But you will not practice anything means immediately 2 or 3 days you will forget the all the things. And one more thing is first you have to more concentration on terminology. In any language, any technology, there is a terminology is there. Like here only, for example, in Salesforce, here we are calling objects. Tables is there now. In case any table is there, that we are calling as an object. In the table we have columns. See here we are calling as a field. Okay, we are calling as a data, no? A row. In the table we are calling as a record. Here there is a terminology we have. So if once you people understanding that terminology related things, like you can easily get the concepts, that knowledge and everything. Once you people practice, will get more knowledge, and you can do, you can attend directly the interview. You have your own way. I'm saying about, but development that is bit difficult. You have to more concentration on development daily basis, 5 to 6 hours. Then only you can learn and the things is remembering. And once you have to enter into any project, you are getting any requirements or work or user stories, you have to easily working on those things.
So here, can we expect any real-time projects that we can share in interviews that I have worked on this
Yeah, we
project?
are providing interview questions, these all things, and we are explaining about the one application, like we are how we can implement the application, what are the things we have required as a in real time means. So once you are entering the project, how we can build the applications. Okay, projects. I'm saying about within the project we have different applications. That is secondary thing, but we have to go with like that is the only initially we have to do this data model architectures doing. based on that, how we can create the objects and relationships. Like this is the way we are explaining.
Okay. So as of now, I'm doing testing. So I
Mhm.
want to shift to Salesforce. So that's why I'm asking if I
Yes.
attend interviews, so I can give this have done in this project like that, and that's why I'm asking.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. We will explain in development. Every class we have to most of this lightning time. I'm explaining 50 minutes in class. I'm teaching, and in 10 minutes like how we can attending the interviews and what is the how we can explain the projects and like once enter into the projects, what are the things we have to connect. Most of the people put 2 3 years 4 years experience fake experience and enter into the organizations. So for them like I can explain that how we can communicating to the team members and what are the things and what are the tools we are using in real time while working on projects. Like these all things we are explaining.
Okay.
Any doubts? Yeah, if people have no doubts, uh, I can end this call now, and we have to uh, almost after 3 or 4 days. Like you will get the you will get the notification or SMS in WhatsApp when it will conduct the uh, class one starts. Okay, first class when it will start. Okay, you will get the communication from reception. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, we
Thank
can
you.
yeah we can connect soon.